Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to remove backgrounds easily in PhotoDirector. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application and added a photo. In case you have not done that, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to remove the background and add a new one. Right here at the bottom of the screen, in this AI removal section, you can see a button like this called as background. Click on it right now. Well, once you do, it's gonna give you two options: background art or AI background. Simply select the AI background one right now. Well, once you do, as you can see, it is scanning for the subject. Once the subject has been scanned, as you can see, the background has been removed. Now what you guys can do is simply add a background of your choice. You can add a custom background or else select the backgrounds available from right here. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the background has been changed. Do note that you can simply move around the subject as well. And guys, this is it. This is how you remove background and change it in PhotoDirector. But do note that it costs about 2 credits per creation. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the stick button at the bottom right. That is it guys, that's how we remove backgrounds easily in PhotoDirector and replace it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.